Hello everyone, my name is Build and I'm here to build stuff. And today we're gonna start building our new terrace. As you can see, we already have some things going on in here. We have an outdoor bath, a barbecuing station. Here we have this penguin family. We also have a bumblebee.
Nope.
Or something, I don't know. Also, place to hang out. All that good stuff you need in a proper terrace. Today our mission is to take all of this old stuff out and try to align the outdoor bath to a proper place, and after that we're gonna start digging a hole for it so it's in the terrace. So we're gonna rip all of these out. We're gonna take that apart and move it here, and before that we need to move this. Oh, there's a victim of the winter. It's pretty harsh for the wildlife here in Finland, so no worries, we'll continue. From this angle you can see the whole terrace that we got, so we're gonna expand it for 2-3 meters, so it's gonna go like all the way up to this rock, and the outdoor bath is gonna go in there nicely into the terrace. We need to lift the terrace a bit up in the air, so it's gonna be in proper height. I don't know if there's anything else to add here other than just me getting to work and provide you with some nice time-lapse shots. So all of this is gonna get done like this, and boom, it's ready. Let's get started. Just gonna give you a quick update on how things are going so far. So everything is ripped out. My next step here is to clear all that and put this bathtub in there. First I'm just gonna put it there on top of the ground just to take some measurements and see how it fits and try to find a proper spot for it. And when that's done, I'm gonna move it back away. Then I'm gonna start digging with a shovel. I need to dig like, I don't know, 2 meters by 2 meters. I have to fill it with gravel so that it has a flat bed. Yeah, that's the plan here. I'm also gonna try to see how steep all of this ground is. I have this ProCat, so I'm gonna use this leveler just to see the levelness of this ground and how much do I need to like lift it as I go forward. And hopefully I don't need to dig a very deep hole in there, because I want this to be like halfway in the terrace. I think that's the proper height for it, maybe a bit more. Yeah, I think I need to start digging. Let's go. What I've done, I got it all leveled up. I have that stove in there, and now the next thing I need to do is to clear some of these things away. After that I can start placing around the floor, or the wood for the structure of the floor that's gonna go all around there. It's gonna be a pretty big job. Let's get going. I have an update for you. Let's go check it out. Follow me. Look at that. We have our sofas, and then we have a table which has some hot tub parts in there. That's gonna be another video where I install everything. We're gonna have a nice hot tub there. There's gonna be a cleaning pump in there. It's gonna be warmed by electricity, so we don't need to have that wooden fireplace. I'm also gonna install a bubbly system that produces bubbles. I can't come up with the name of what it's called in English, but you know, there's a thing that blows air and there's bubbles coming out, and it's nice and cozy in there. Let's go check this out. Here we have nice roses. Here's the full deck. It's 9 meters from there all the way to there and 4 meters this way. The tub is nicely sunk in.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
I'm gonna add stairs over here, and in the back side of the hot tub, this is where I'm gonna install all of the bubbly things, the heater and the filtering pump, so we don't need to change the water every single time we use the hot tub. Here I have the stuff, but as I said before, this is gonna be a whole nother video. But that's our deck currently. Also, there's gonna be like a one small step here for humankind, if you get what I'm saying. Oh yeah, it's gonna be one nice step there and a few steps there, and see you on the next update. And Boo is ready. It's a nice terrace. So here we are. Let me give you a quick tour of what we've achieved here. We have the barbecue station over here. Then we have the chill out area with the sofas and a nice umbrella, or what's it called. And this is the whole beauty. We have this nice chair over here. Oh yeah, this is the stuff. As you see, it's a nice place to be. And here we have the outdoor bath. There's gonna be a big box that has the filtration system and the air jets and the blower that blows air. The air blower is installed already, but other than that, it's still in progress. Stay tuned for that. Then we have the stairs that I made here. This is where we're gonna have a railing, because that's like 1/2 meter drop. So, and this is gonna go away eventually after I get the heater and the filtration done in there. This is how it turned out. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. You approve this? What do you say? Mauno. Meow! He approves. Catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.